Hey, it's George with SilverHammer Surveillance. Hanging out at our showroom today, and I just wanted to give you a quick tour and kind of explain some of our services and what we offer here. At SilverHammer, we sell, install, and service full-blown surveillance systems. We basically can custom design a system to meet your exact needs, both home and business. We have every type of technology available in the surveillance world, primary being IP and HD TVI. We have every type of camera you can think of. We have turret domes, bullets, regular dome cameras, basically everything you can think of. We have 4, 8, and 16, and 32 channel DVRs available with all sorts of storage options. Again, we can custom design a system to meet your exact needs. In addition to the full-blown wired surveillance systems, we also offer all the most popular Wi-Fi options. First, take a look here at Google Nest. Google and Nest just kind of combine forces and change their branding to now be called Google Nest. So we have the Nest IQ cameras. We have the Nest Secure alarm system. We have the Nest video doorbell called the Nest Hello. And then we have all the Google products, now Google Nest, that kind of make the Nest cameras more fun to use. We got the Google Nest Hub, which you can bring your cameras up on here. You can do all sorts of things with this. We'll make a separate video for this. You got the Nest thermostat. This little dude learns your behaviors and will pay for itself in about a year or two. Not only that, but most utility companies will give you a credit on your bill right off the bat. We have the Nest Protect carbon monoxide and smoke detector. And then on the other side of the room here, we have the Yale Nest Lock. And the other side of that is a keypad. Again, we'll make a separate video on that little dude, but you can remotely open your door with your phone, tablet. You can do a lot of different things with the smart locks. Again, we'll have some separate videos on the different smart locks we offer. Moving on from Google Nest, we got Ring. Of course, the Ring video doorbell, which kind of started the Wi-Fi camera revolution. All the other cameras Ring offer. We've got the Ring security system as well. And now, just like Google and Nest, Amazon and Ring have joined forces. So we sell all the Amazon products as well, like the Echo Show. Just like the Google Nest Hub, this does a lot of different things. I mean, you can play music, Spotify, Pandora, Apple Music, all sorts of different things with these smart displays. The Echo Show and the Google Nest Hub are kind of in direct competition with each other. But again, we have everything that Ring and Amazon offer. And then last but not least, another popular Wi-Fi option is Arlo. So we sell all the different Arlo products. And even if you don't see it here, we offer it. So as far as the showroom goes, the reason you don't see 200 brands in here is because as a small business guy, as a tech geek, and as a security guy, I have gone through and tested every device you could possibly think of, and I have narrowed it down to the products and devices that I would actually put my stamp on, I would actually use myself. And so when you come in here, you're only going to see brands that are going to last. Alibi, for example, if you go to a local big box retailer and you buy a cheap camera system, it's probably not going to last 2 years in a Nebraska winter. Alibi, of course, will. Not only that, but you're getting a much higher quality product that's more vandal proof. Got all the bells and whistles you want. But again, there's a lot of different things, you know, you get what you pay for. And some of these, you know, these cheaper options out there just aren't going to last you. So you got to look at this stuff as an investment and just buy it once. So as far as the showroom goes, you know, we can give you a personal demonstration on all of this. This is all functioning. We can show you every single piece of equipment in action. So just call, make an appointment. We're here every Saturday for sure. You don't need an appointment, but come in. We'll give you a demonstration, get a more educated decision on what you're buying, and we'll be more than happy to help. A lot of these things you can install yourself, but in all cases, we are more than happy to install it for you. By going through somebody like us, you're going to get extended warranties, better tech support, not only from us, but from these companies as well. You get a higher level tech support by going through authorized dealers. So you're getting those services in addition to just having a local person to work with. So again, call us today, make an appointment, come say hello. Thank you.